I received a notice from the car company stating that it was a recall on my car, but the part was not in. The way it was described that would happen to the car, it did. It caught fire. And I had to leave the car, and I took it to the dealership, where I bought it from. The dealership said that they were not responsible, that the part was not in. The company that made the car said that they were not responsible because that it was not in. So I was left with a car that was not functioning, so I took it back to the dealership. Where is it legal? Where do I go from here, since the dealership doesn't take responsibility for it, nor do the company that makes the car? Where am I? I don't know where to go with it.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. She's got a lot going on there.
Yeah.
You called the right person.
Well, I used to handle a lot of cases, fire cases, especially caused by products. And what I think you probably have to do is you go after both of them and let them figure it out. There's also a third option, and that's the manufacturer of whatever component part that caused the fire, whether it was a faulty brake switch or something in the fuel line. If there's a recall, I guarantee you the manufacturer of that automobile knows about that problem, and they knew about that problem, because they don't recall these vehicles just for fun. They recall them. It's a huge financial deal for them. They recall them when they have figured out that it's going to be more dangerous to leave it on the market than it is to pull it off the market. And it's a financial decision a lot of times. As crazy as that sounds, I've seen documents that say we could either fight these in litigation and come out with X amount of dollars, or we could just let it ride.